Ooh, so the makeup look that you see is a recreation of Selena Gomez's newest makeup look that she has in her music video, de Una Vez, if I say it properly. Anyways, I'm so sorry about that. But before we continue, make sure to like the video and to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, all on beauty related. So I put a little code because I didn't have a dress or anything with flowers for my head, for my coat, for my shirt, for whatever you want to say. But anyways, I love this song. I love Spanish songs. And I am so glad that she's getting into her Mexican heritage and like singing Spanish. Her accent is so good. And the song is just so good overall. It's very sweet. And I think it means at once, if I'm not mistaken. Like, I speak French, but I'm going to start with this Anastasia Brow Freeze, which I love. I'm going to start with that just to place my eyebrows, and then after that, I'll go into the color. And then we go back with the brow pomade in medium brown for filling in the eyebrows. I'm going to concentrate at the outer corner of the eye. That's a lot of product. And she has like very long eyebrows on the side, so I keep it very long. I elongate my eyebrows here like that. Today I think I'm gonna go into this Smashbox 24 hour just because it is more natural and it really blocks the oils like 100%. For the eyeshadow, I know that she would be using a Rare Beauty eyeshadows, of course, for her videos. I don't have them, unfortunately, so I'm gonna go into the One Size eyeshadow palette because it is pretty, I would say, neutral, and I feel like it's really gonna fit with the look since she has more of like a pinkish eyeshadow that looks really pretty. I start with a little palette with a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go into Top of My Game. We're just gonna apply this softly over here and just a little bit everywhere. This is just the base, so I'm putting it here, and then I'm bringing it into a V so we can have that little lifted eye look that she has, which looks so pretty. And de una vez. Okay, I think this is the perfect color because I know that I'm gonna just intensify the crease a bit because her crease is just a little bit more. I've been doing that and I love it. It's a setting powder. This one is an under eye setting powder from e.l.f. And I just end up putting it on my brush, and since it's translucent, it doesn't do much, but it helps blend the eyeshadow, which I love. So you just blend it here, and it just creates the most flawless blend. It looks like a soft blend. I love it. So we're gonna take the shade Everything, which is that really pinkish shade, shimmery, and I'm gonna place it all over the lid with the same brush. I'm keeping it very fluffy, and since she has like that pinkish tone, she has a little bit like darker tone than me, so her eyeshadow is gonna look paler than what it is right now. But if you want to be kind of accurate, that's the kind of eyeshadow that she has on, and it's very, very soft, which I love because it really like reflects her natural beauty in the music video with a lot of blush. And if it's too dark, again, you take that setting powder and then you go in the inner corners, on top, and you put a little bit of light on your eyeshadow. Oof. There's powder everywhere now. Okay, so this eye little, if I look at the picture, I'm like, and you know, when you look at this like this, it might look darker on the outer corner, everything. And if you want to achieve that, you just add a little bit back up of the shimmer, you add it here, and you just pack it all the way into the crease, and it looks darker now. And shimmers, it's like very, very easy to blend. Yeah, so that is the thing, little shimmers. Her eyeshadows are more shimmery than this one, so excuse the difference. She obviously has a eyeliner, so I'm gonna try again because I really don't like her eyeliner, to be honest, but I'm still gonna try to use it since it's for her music video. I'm gonna be using that. If ever, I'll just go towards something else, a little cute eyeliner like that. We're gonna keep it low. She has a very tiny one, so that is it for the eyeliner. And to soften a little bit up, because I know that it's kind of blurry in the picture, I'm gonna take a bit of that black eyeshadow and I'm gonna bring it all the way to the inner corner. That shade is called Turban Legend. Softening it up because it goes all the way all the way. And then I put the eyeshadow on it too. And I bring it all the way over there. And then I take Top of My Game back, which is that really neutral shade. And I'm just going to bring it under to add depth to my eye. Just a little tiny bit of depth. Because even though she doesn't look like she has nothing, it looks like she has something. So let me just put that shade, Top of My Game, to add some dimension to my lower lash line. We are done with this palette. It looks really cute. And to secure the whole thing, she doesn't really have any inner corner eyeshadow, so let me just try something for a second. So I'm just putting something in the inner corner, but just very, very slightly. And since it's like golden, a little bit brighter, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Stout highlighter. Since there is a little bit of gold in there, it's like very, very gold. So if you put a little bit, it's still gonna enhance the inner corner, but in a very, I would say, natural way. I don't know if you can see it. You can barely see it. You can really barely see it. But it still did. And before the lashes, I'm going to be putting this False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara. Since she has very natural lashes, this one will just like add length to my lashes. And what am I doing? Why am I looking... I don't know what's going on with my brain today. I took my phone as my mirror, which is ridiculous. We are all cute. The eyes are done. They look very cute, nice. It looks very similar to what she has. Maybe she has a little bit more pinkish than that. But then now we're all ready to go towards the face. And I already put the Rare Beauty blush already, so that's cute. But before I go to the blush, I want to go into the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer, since her forehead is way bronzed. So let's go in it with a Morphe brush. And I'm just going to pat that slightly to add some warmth to my skin. I kind of need some warmth right now too, because it's really, oh my god. Sometimes I feel so pale, because look at this. Like, it's so... please go away. She doesn't really have any bronzer or contour on her nose. It's really more on her forehead, so that's why I'm concentrating it there. And then she has a lot of blush. So we're gonna go strong on the blush. And if you were wondering which Rare Beauty products I use, it's all gonna be listed down below at the end of the description box, as always. I have a couple of options for the blush, but since her blush was very vibrant, I was going towards the e.l.f. This is Always Lucky Primer Infused Blush, which it looks kind of dark, but then I can dim it down, and if ever, I can just put setting powder, because setting powder is so versatile. Anyways, love setting powder. I'm starting to like it more and more, and before I really didn't like it. You learn to love certain product and different uses. Alright, so she has it like literally like that. It goes all around, and I think the color is pretty accurate. I have a bunch of fallout, which doesn't really look good, but you know how it is, girl. There's always some sort of fallout or some sort of thing. That's a whole lot of blush. I think that's enough for the blush. Oh my god, that's a lot of blush. It's everywhere, and the trick is it doesn't really look that much on the camera, but in real life, I'm telling you, I have a whole splotch of blush. It's crazy. All right, Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush Palette. Again, it's like every video I'm using it. Like, I better hope I'm using it. So I'm gonna soften the edges here under the eyes with some highlighter, which is what I usually do. I take this one right here, and I'm just softening the edges up. She doesn't have that much highlight, but it's really good. If you have too much blush, you can always put like it's a very good transition to your under eye to the blush. If you don't put that, like, you might look like you have a harsh line. And I think that's it for the face. And then we have one thing left. It's the lips. Her lips are really good. Like, the color, I might not have the color exactly, but we're gonna stay in the Rare Beauty because I feel like it's just right to do so. I'm gonna be lining my lips. This one is a Boldly Bare. It doesn't really fit with that color, but I'm gonna make it work. It's just really to give me a sketch and to know where to place the lip balm. I think this sketch is good, and then I'll take the lip balm. This is the Empathy Dewy Lip Balm. The shade is Empathy. It's a little like dark, I would say, but I can literally dim it down. It really fits with the blush. My Apple Watch is telling me to stand up. Like, girl, stand up. It's time to stand up. Okay. So this is cute. But then when you look at the picture, there's like some gold shimmers in there. gold shimmers. So we have to keep it gold. And we're gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills, obviously. It's a Rare Beauty in Anastasia today. So this one is the lip gloss in the Diamond Honey Diamond Lip Gloss, which I love. And I'm just gonna put that right on top, and it's gonna give me like a beautiful, and I'm just tapping it. And that is it. What do you guys think about this cute makeup look? Of course, I'm gonna set it with the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist Mist, because we gotta stay in Rare Beauty. Hi, Selena Gomez. And that is the makeup look for today. So I recreated, inspired, let's say, the makeup look from Selena Gomez, her newest song that just came out, de Una Vez. I don't know how to say it. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, but I really hope that you liked it. And if you liked it, make sure to like the video and to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, all on beauty related. And also make sure to comment down below what you would want to see next, of course, as always, and what you liked about this makeup look, and if the little tips and tricks you liked it or not. So thank you so much again for watching. I really, really love you, beauties, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, beauties!